How are you fine? Today we're playing collect a keycaps. That's how we collect, huh? That's nice. A golden, a 100, a cat, 150. Yes. Okay, collect money. Well, $8 by $1. Put this can burger, 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 burger. I need a burger. Environment welding. Okay, that's the best. Craft keycaps. Sell our account craft. I got the best. Yay! Vibrant wood. Let us collect the money. I need some more wood. Oh, a new bed and the classic. A classic. Go. Go. Come on, we need a little more wood. A little more, please. We have 100 keycaps. Come on, we need a little more wood. 28. Burger. Okay, we have the burger. I want on the 5,000. Yes, I do wood. Yay. Let us see. I want everything. Yay! Equip the bells. Did you equip the glass? What is it called? Don't I craft? I don't remember what it's. I don't remember what it's called. What is it called? Glass. Yeah, I have. And the rest said. And so, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to autocorrect. Oh, a burger, a real burger. Burger. A burger, finally, another burger. Burger. I want to see, is that mine? Oh, an 8-bit? Can I steal? 49. Not steal. Good, and 150 keycaps. Burger. I want some speed. Come on. Did I just upgrade? Now I'm so much faster. Let's get some luck. Oh my goodness. Now luck. Come to me. What is that? Really, what is that? More luck, huh? Where is luck? Where is the luck? There's nothing good. Look at the best. Burger. Come on. I'm going to autocorrect. Oh my god. I'm not gonna do it. Everything. Come on. Craftable. Yeah, I got a keycap. Here we got a keycap. That is a burger. That's so lucky. Oh my god. Lucky for me. I literally now have a burger. This is for the bag. I'm getting this. Yeah. My burgers, I need a burger team. Yeah, you have to 100 burgers. I need burger. 1, 2, 3, 4 burger. Burger. Like the burger. Another burger. Oh, I collected. Burger. Come on, you discovered the new keycap. I haven't done it again. Come on, give me more burger. Burger. Here's all everything. Burger. I need some buns. I need some burger. Burger. A burger. No, somebody took the burger. I need the burger. Come on, I need burgers. Burger. Burger. Yay, I have burger. That's like, oh my goodness. All of my base is burger. Need a burger, please. So I thought it was something. I thought it was something new. Except with the index. I just unlocked 70. Huh? Power is the Rubik. I feel like it's here. This burger. Yay. Yay. Come on, look how much money do I have. How much money do I have? How much money do I have? How much money do I have? I don't see nothing. Come on, say something good. Come on, come on. Come on. Play something good, please. I'm collecting all of my money. Get everything. A burger. Burger. I have a burger. Yeah. Come on. Yay, burger, a burger base. Oh, I want something good. I want something good. Come on, I want to see how much is the shop. Where's the shop? Robux. I want to see. Yeah. I should have 2 glass. Yeah, I have. What is the pudding? Oh, it vibrate. Because it's vibrant, I thought it wasn't. I want something good. Because I have I have 1,000. Almost 1,000. Come on. 1,000 money. The keycap. I have 3 more. I just need 3. I have 1,000 keycap. Yay! Come on, collect them. Come on. Guys, soon I will keep on grinding in this game, and part 2 is maybe coming soon. I don't know if I can. Tell you what, there isn't part 2. I know. Don't know why. I want to see his base. I want to you will tell. Why is it 21,000? Oh my goodness! A glowing burger and a flaming burger. It's I have another burger. Come on. like this video, hit the thumbs up and comment down below. Goodbye.